Good morning guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. Today's episode I'm gonna be showing you how to trade Binance application on your mobile devices. If you do not have Binance application, download it on your Play Store, and let's go ahead and find out on our Play Store what it looks like. Let's go search Binance, and this is what it looks like. So alright, let's go ahead and open a Binance application. Alright, so we are now on the markets. This is what it looks like on the market page. Today we're gonna trade IOST. So let's go find IOST, and to do that, you see that search button on the top right corner. Click on this one. There you go, and go find IOST, and I'm gonna be pairing that with BTC because that's what I have available. So you click IOST/BTC. all right now it is 5 cents. Last night it was 4 cents. It was around 498 satoshis. Right now it's 490, the lowest one, and then the highest reading is 543 satoshis. So let's go click on buy. All right, so we're gonna be on our market tab, because if you want to go to the limit, I did that last night. I was waiting for it to go down to 3 cents, but it did not. It was sitting for 24 hours. It did not trigger. I just canceled it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just buy it at market price. So let's click the arrow to market. All right, did you see that what I did? You have, when you click the market order, you scroll down to market. If you want to buy limit order, you can do that, but you have to wait until the price drops. Let's just go ahead this time. Let's just go ahead and use the market. Click market, and I have like 0.006 something BTC available. If I click 100%, I can get 1145 tokens for IOST. So let's go back again. If you are on the market page, all right, you're on the market page, click on the right corner. And then if you are looking for specific cryptocurrency, if you want to go find XRP, just type it in, which is the Ripple, and you can use Ethereum or BTC. Let's go back to IOST, search for IOST/BTC. all right, let's click buy, and then let's go to, on your market order tab, click market order, and then scroll down to market. So if I want to click 50%, I would get 572, 25% 286, 75% is 8059, and I will not spend it all, which is 1145. I was hoping for it to go down 3 cents last night so I can get more, maybe around 1300 or 1500 tokens. So it's pretty stable today. I was really hoping that it would go down to 3 cents. Let's go ahead and click market and click 100%. Insufficient fund. Oh no. Okay. Let's do 46. Oh, maybe 45. Click buy. Success. Yes. So let's go ahead and go to my funds. Here we go. We have 1143 IOST. So it was very easy, wasn't it? So if you like this video, guys, if you like this step, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for following my cryptocurrency journey, and I will see you on my next update. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Bye bye.